Hi all, welcome to my channel Grasp It All. Today I am going to talk to you all about eRupay. eRupay is a cashless medium that is issued by the Government of India. This contactless digital payment medium is launched today by the Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi ji. As a digital payment option in India, the Government of India has launched an electronic voucher based digital payment system on 2nd August 2021. Today, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, addressed the public while launching the eRupay. Some of the higher institutions and government agencies of the country like NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and National Health Authority etc. have jointly developed this app. This app being launched in India as eRupay digital payment is considered to be very good and reliable. Customers using this app can securely transfer their money from one account to another in the form of payment. With this app being launched under the name eRupay, you can make digital payments in any part of the country. How does eRupay works? eRupay have been developed as a cashless app. The help of an SMS styling or a QR code system will be taken to send this app to the mobile of general public of the country. Beneficiaries can directly download this app on their mobile through SMS styling or QR code. You can use this prepaid gift voucher app without any credit or debit card, mobile app or internet banking. Sponsors of eRupay services will not be needed to physically interface with anyone to send this app to every mobile in the country. You can use it as a prepaid gift voucher. Beneficiaries and service providers will be linked through this eRupay service. Today, it is launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This system has been prepared by NPCI on its UPI platform, in which many banks have also been linked. The banks to be incorporated have been made a major part of it issuing institutions. Through this eRupay system, medicines and nutritional assistance will be provided under maternal and child welfare schemes, TB eradication programs, so that the help given directly reaches the beneficiary. In this system, the beneficiary will be identified by his mobile number. The eRupay vouchers issued by this system can be used only by the person to whom he would have been allotted, that is, the eRupay vouchers. In a statement issued by the PMO, it was said that it can also use the system in Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, fertilizer subsidiaries, etc. Many services will be provided by the government through eRupay in the country. It can also be used to ensure leak-proof delivery of wellness services. To be used for leak-proof delivery of fertilizer subsidiaries, TB eradication program, Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, mother and child welfare schemes, etc., the government has also talked about giving the benefit of this digital voucher for the private sector employee welfare and corporate social. This app is not released as a normal payment app. Soon we will be able to get the services through eRupay after we get well versed in the particular app. What is the significance of eRupay? Developed as a voucher based payment system, this eRupay digital payment system is considered as one of the top priority and effective system in the country. Due to the specificity of the underlying asset and its purpose, it cannot be considered as a virtual currency. The focus was on developing the central bank's digital currency for a long time by the government. Today, it is released by the Government of India. It is expected that the voucher based payment system will prove to be quite secure. That's all. Thank you.